Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today's video is going to be on my heatless waves routine. I first saw this from Marcella Tumas on YouTube, but it is a little bit tricky, so if you want to see how I get perfect loose waves using no heat, keep on watching. To start off, you'll need a rope belt and 4 hair ties. You could probably use knee socks or tights as long as whatever you use is relatively thick so the curls don't turn out too tight, and you also want to make sure whatever you're using is at least twice as long as your hair since it has to go on both sides. First, center the rope belt on your head. I did one side off camera to show you what it should look like. Grab a section of hair at the top of your head about the size of a section you would normally curl and twist it around the rope belt. Make sure you're not pulling the section too hard to the point that the hair at the top of your head is completely flat. If you do, it'll be near impossible to get volume back at the base in the morning. After you twist that section around the belt, grab a section of the same size below it and join it with the previous section. Twist it around the belt again, tighter this time. The sections after the first can be pulled tight around the belt, but the first just needs to be a little loose so you can have volume at the top. Continue doing this, grabbing a section, adding it to the previous one, and twisting it around the rope belt until eventually it's all just one thick section of hair. This is super simple, and if you try to overcomplicate it like I did the first time I tried it, it will turn out bad, so just stick to what I'm doing. And now this is the last section, so from this point I'm just wrapping everything around the rope belt until I run out of hair. Keep twisting downwards and make sure no sections are overlapping before securing with a hair tie. To ensure everything's tight, I'm twisting everything outwards before tying it into a bun. All done, time for bed. Good morning! I'm gonna start removing all the hair ties. After you've taken out all of the hair ties, gently unravel the hair. Do not try to pull everything down at once. Untwist everything in the opposite order that you twisted, section by section, like you're rewinding the process. After we remove the rope belt, we can start separating the curls, which will loosen up the waves. You can fluff it out however you see fit. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and then I'll show you how I do a little touch-up. Finally, spray hairspray to keep the waves locked in place. And that concludes this heatless waves routine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. I haven't used my curling iron in over a month since I started doing this, and I actually like how these waves look better, so let me know if you try it too. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.